In order to submit an application for any of the grant schemes of the RESEC Fund, you must first create an account.
Go to the main page of the RESEC Fund and click on Create New Account. Before you start, make sure that 1. You have an email address that has not been used again when creating another account in the system. 2. You have a copy of your identification card saved in electronic format, which you will need to attach. Please note that each user can only create one account from which all of his/her applications for the grant schemes will be submitted. The system will not allow the process to be completed if there is already a user account in the system with the same identification card number or email.
At the end of the page, you can find information about the Personal Data Privacy and Protection Policy, followed by the RESEC Fund. In the form that follows, you will need to fill in your details. Fields marked with an asterisk are mandatory. In the Type of Identification Document field, click on the arrow to select from the menu the option that is most suitable for you. If you have an ID card from the Republic of Cyprus, select Republic of Cyprus. ID card. If you are an EU citizen, select Registration Certificate of Union Citizen,
His or her family members.
also Union citizens. If you are a third country national, select Alien Registration Card, ARC. In the next field, enter your ID card number. It is very important that you write this correctly. Please note that the only acceptable numbers are those corresponding to Cypriot ID or ARC. Do not use a number from another country's ID card or a passport number or any other document number. In the next field, select Choose File to attach a copy of your ID card. If you need any assistance regarding file attachment and existing file limitations, please click on the notes found below the field. In the email address field, enter a valid email address. All emails regarding your account and the applications you will submit will be sent to this address. Remember that this email address should not have been used before for any other account.
In the Confirm Email Address field,
Re-enter your email address for verification purposes. In the username field, enter a unique alias that will be used for logging into the system. The username is not your real name. Here you can only use Latin characters, both uppercase and lowercase, numbers and underscores. If the username you have entered is already in use, a relevant notification will appear, and you will need to choose another one. In the full name field, it is very important to write your name and surname exactly as stated on your ID card, either in Greek or in English. Do not modify your name and do not use Greeklish. In the mobile phone field, enter a valid mobile phone number. SMS messages regarding the progress of your application will be sent to this number. The Another Contact Telephone Number field is not mandatory and is only used as an alternative means of contact. Next, enter your date of birth and finally, your postal address. This address will only be used in case you need to receive mail via postal service. When you have finished filling out the form, carefully check the details you have entered, and then select Create New Account. Once you do this, a notification will appear on your screen informing you that an email with further instructions has been sent to your email address. If you see this notification, it means that the submission of your account details has been successful, but the account creation process has not yet been completed. Go to your inbox to locate the message sent by the system. If you cannot find the message, check your email spam or junk folder. In the message that has been sent to you, there is a link that can only be used once.
click on the link to go to a new page to set your password.
On the login page that appears, click on Login to proceed. On the new page that appears, enter the password you desire and then re-enter it in the next field for confirmation purposes. For data protection purposes, it is recommended that you follow the guidelines listed to set a strong password. After entering your password, scroll to the end of the page and select Save. A message will appear on your screen stating that changes have been saved. This means that the process has been successfully completed, and you now have an account that you can use to submit your application. To log into your account, you can use any of the following methods. On the website's homepage, enter either your username or email in the fields found on the center of the page, and in the field below, enter your password. Then click on Login. Alternatively, click on the Login command, top right of the page, and enter your username, email, and your password on the page that appears. To confirm that you are logged in, you will now see My Account displayed at the top right of the website.